Lutapi. One day Lutapi saw some children in a classroom. He tiptoed in and blew fire on them. Foo, foo. Oh no, the children cried. Now let me take rest, said Lutapi and was about to sit on a chair. Mayavi saw this. Lutapi must be taught a lesson. He chanted, Abracadabra, disappear. Suddenly the chair disappeared, but Lutapi did not notice it and he sat down. Third, he fell on the floor. The children burst out laughing. Ha ha ha! A naughty Lutapi learnt a lesson. Lutapi got up and flew away in shame. The children clapped and thanked Mayavi. Thank you, sir. Good night.